Hey, it's Tiffany at Buckwater Greenhouse, and behind me you'll see we have thousands of mums growing for fall again this year. Just know that mums are a seasonal flower. They're not something that you can have bloom from spring all the way through fall like a lot of your other flowers that you may purchase in May. These will bloom for about 4 to 6 weeks. So there is actually 3 seasons of mums within fall. So there's your early mums, which is what I have right now. This is just starting to show color the end of August. And then we have our mid-season mums, which will start showing color in September and last until the beginning of October. And then the late season mums will start blooming at the end of September and go through the end of October. Another question I have a lot is, if I plant these, will they come back? And the answer is maybe. The earlier you plant garden mums, the better chance you will have of them rooting and coming back for you. A hardier mum to plant would be an igloo mum. And we have our igloo mums growing. These are in black pots. Our igloo mums are in orange pots. And they are hardy to -20. So watering brings up another question. How often should I water my mums? And the answer is yes. Every day if you're keeping them in the pot they've been grown in. So another option would be to put a dish or a saucer underneath the pot, so that way the extra water will gradually soak up through the base of the plant. Another thing to keep in mind with watering is once they're all the way open and in full bloom, you don't want to get water all over the blooms. So as much as you can, take your watering can and kind of get it in between the plant and pour your water in that way. Mums are a really inexpensive way to decorate, and it's think of them like a cut flower. You're going to enjoy them for a season, and it's okay to say goodbye and thank you for a fun fall.